Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve our fourth question of chapter 2nd, that is, how does nitrogen fixation occur in nature? Explained with the help of diagram. Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is one of the most important constituents of all living organism. It makes an important part of protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. In this way, nitrogen is almost essential in all food components which we consume. That's why it is one of the fourth most important element which is present in atmosphere in large amount, and that nitrogen is required for development of very important part of plant, that is chlorophyll, which is essential pigment for photosynthesis, due to which plants can prepare their own food, and directly indirectly we all are dependent on these plants, and we get variable protein component, vitamin component from these plants. In this way, nitrogen is one of the very important constituents. Our atmosphere has 78% of nitrogen, but atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by the plants. And that's why it is necessary that these nitrogen which is present in molecular form in atmosphere get converted into compound form. So we can define nitrogen fixation as a process in which the atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia or other molecules of nitrogen. These nitrogen compounds are then taken up by the plants. And the process by which nitrogen is taken in from the atmosphere and is given back to the atmosphere can be defined with the help of this nitrogen cycle. If we see, nitrogen from the atmosphere is fixed with the help of bacteria. So nitrogen fixing bacteria such as cyanobacteria and algae in the soil fix this nitrogen from atmosphere and convert it into compounds of nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen can also get converted into nitrogen compound by exerting tremendous amount of heat, pressure and energy. This is done through a natural process such as lightning, volcanic eruption, lightning discharge. Human intervention by combustion and industrial mean can also convert atmospheric nitrogen into other molecules of nitrogen. Moving to next. Once nitrogen is converted into compound that can be used by living organism, it is absorbed by the plants. It is absorbed by the plants from the soil through the roots. Now, this nitrogen compound which is being absorbed by the plant with the help of roots are used for synthesis of plant proteins and other compound. These plant proteins and other compounds are necessary for animal feeding. In this way, animal feeding on plants get these proteins and other nitrogen compound. Now, after the death of animals, organism fix nitrogen which goes back in the soil and is decomposed by saprophytic microbes. Thus, these microbes convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogenous compound to be used by plants again. Certain other bacteria convert some part of dead to nitrogen gas which is released into atmosphere. and the total percentage of nitrogen in air is thus maintained with the help of chain event which complete the nitrogen cycle. सर्वप्रथम जो नाइट्रोजन हमारे वातावरण में गैसियस रूप में उपस्थित है, उस नाइट्रोजन को कुछ नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग बैक्टीरिया जैसे कि साइनोबैक्टीरिया या फिर हरियाली जिसको हम एल्गी कहते हैं, वो परिवर्तित कर देती है नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड में। कुछ अन्य तरीकों से भी नाइट्रोजन गैस को नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड में परिवर्तित किया जा सकता है, जो कि कुदरती तरीके हैं, जैसे कि बिजली का चमकना या फिर ज्वालामुखी का फटना। इन कुदरती कारणों से भी नाइट्रोजन गैस नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड में परिवर्तित होती है। अब नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड में परिवर्तित अमोनिया का प्रयोग पेड़ पौधों के द्वारा होता है। पेड़ पौधे इसको एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, अवशोषित करते हैं और क्लोरोफिल नाम के पिगमेंट के द्वारा प्रोटीन जैसे तत्व का उत्पादन करते हैं। अब इन प्रोटीन तत्व जो पेड़ पौधों में उत्पादित हुए हैं, पैदा हुए हैं, उसको पशु अपना आहार समझकर अपने आहार के रूप में ग्रहण करते हैं और यही पशु मृत्यु उपरांत, अपने मृत्यु के बाद, कुछ ऐसे सेप्रोफाइटिक माइक्रोब्स, कीटाणु, जीव, सूक्ष्म जीव इन मृतक शरीर को गला सड़ा देती हैं। इस प्रकार से दोबारा गले सड़े तत्व के रूप में नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड पेड़ पौधों द्वारा उपयोग में आता है और फिर से नाइट्रोजन फिक्स होती है, नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन प्रक्रिया संपन्न होती है। इस प्रकार से इस चक्रीय रूप में नाइट्रोजन पुनः वातावरण में अवशोषित हो जाता है। धन्यवाद। Your homework is to write proper answer of this and prepare nitrogen cycle. Draw it well. Thank you.